I just want to go ahead and say I appreciate you guys for the insane support, right? Like the fact that I'm 160 subs right now is insane. Okay, so I want to go ahead and actually document like every single day. You know, when I'm making, I actually do that on my Instagram, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a video. And people really loved when I was like comparing the trades, because people didn't know you could do that and verify it, but you can. So you can see that the trades are actually happening. When I did the last video, the market was closed, so it wasn't moving, but the market is open now. As you guys can see, this is 100% alive. Like a live thing, right? So if you just drag it, it's already dragged, you know, dragged over here, but you can see that it's live, and you can see this is where they took the trade. Oh, hold up, go back. It's where they took the trade, and it's a live chart, guys. This isn't no, it's fake. No. They actually got in here, got out here. All right, this was about, it was, what is it, 2.6 pips that I had. 2.6 pips, 25.36 lot, 659. All right, and 659. Like this is for real. They're not faking this, guys. All right, I mean, and it's obvious they're not. Okay, now with that being said, does that mean this is 100% safe? You can go ahead and put your life savings in here. No, everything is still a risk. They still can for sure take the money. I'm hoping they don't. So I always recommend, if you put your money, take your money out every single week. Okay, when you get your initial capital back, then you can go ahead and let the rest compound and all that kind of stuff. That's my strategy. You can do what you want, not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing personally. Just because it's just safer that way, right? It doesn't matter how amazing this opportunity is. You always have to have, your own risk management. That's what you can afford to lose, all right? And still take that money back. And then that's literally just house money. That's the best strategy you can do for any opportunity that sounds really, really good. And you feel like, dang, bro, I don't want to miss out on this chance. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that, all right? All right, let's go ahead and pull up another one. All right, here's another one right here. As you can see, again, this is a live chart. Like, this is live. We're not faking anything here. Okay, you can go ahead and use any broker you want and see for yourself, and see that, yeah, it does happen. Okay, now it shows you both trades that happen, because if you look over here, see that they have AUD, USD, and AU. That was a buy that happened, and then they did another one over here. I mean, you can see where they got in and out, and yeah. So it keeps going back. I don't know how to actually pause it. If anyone knows how to do that, let me know. But because it's a live chart, it keeps going back to the beginning and whatnot. But yeah, anyways, there's that. How many pips was that? Let's go ahead and see right quick. That was a very, very small one, so it's nothing too crazy. All right, so what was my lot size? 25.24. 25.24. That was 151 and 151. So yeah, there's that. On this day, February 14, it actually made 1,270, and they take a 20% cut, so I made $1,000. Okay, $1,000 a day, just relaxing, bro. I don't know about y'all, but that's amazing. All right, like, I don't know if you guys are Christian or anything like that, but I really recommend you guys sit here and pray, because this is insane. People can't believe this is real, but it's not really that unbelievable, to be honest. The only part that people will kind of think is unbelievable is the fact that they're actually giving this to people to use, because I 100% guarantee that there's already tons of incredible systems like this, but it's not being shared. Well, these guys are sharing it. It's not just for charity. They're making quite a lot of money too, because they're making 20% profits on every single week. So they're making millions of dollars every week anyways. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull up another one. Live chart again. Boom. They bought here, sold here. How many pips is that? It's looking like 1.9 pips. Lot size 24.29. 24.29. And that was 1.9 pips. 461 here. Okay, let's pull up another one. You can verify every single trade and just see for yourself. As you can see, this one was like right next to each other when they went in. Got in here, they got out, and they got in here and got out. All right, like these guys are in and out, man. They are not playing. Okay, this is about, let's see, how many pips? 2.4 pips. Let's go ahead and do that. 2.4. What was the lot size? I didn't even check. 24.12. 578. And the last one, okay, there's a sell here. All right, the amount of pips, see, 49. See, 4 minus 49. That is that was very small. That was 0.5 pips. 0.5 pips, 2403. 0.5 pips, 2403 was it? 120. Yep. Is that 120? Yeah. Okay. Yep. 120. I mean, all of this, you can, like I said, you can verify yourself. That is the reason, like I said, that they're winning consistently. They're going for very, very small pips, like 0.5, 0.6, 1 to 2 pips. Like, they're going for very, very small pips, and that's how they can go ahead and win. Because, I mean, look at this. Like, it barely moved, right? I had somebody say, like, man, you guys aren't even real traders, man. Like, you going in and out for like 2 pips or 1. Like, bro, we don't care. Like, we're making money, all right? These are very easy to predict, all right? Making this a lot easier to consistently win. So I'm fine with that. Now, if you were trying to go for like, you know, here to here kind of thing, like that's a bit harder because you got to predict that even, you know what I mean, more. With this one, I mean, you can already see it's kind of going up. So they're like in and out, boom. That's it, bro. You don't got to make this complicated, man. You don't got to make it complicated, bro. Forget all that. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. I think that's for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and post another video tomorrow of the results. It doesn't matter if I lose, win. I'm literally gonna post all of it. I don't care about that. But so yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.